Hey guys, it's Kensley with 1845 Barndominiums. Welcome back to the Barndo Channel, and this week I'm here in our Master's Way subdivision in Hallsville, Texas to bring you the final completed tour of the 5th house we've built in this subdivision. Our homeowner is calling this place Jenkins Place, and Jenkins Place is just over 2,000 square foot total under roof. We've got about 1,100 square foot of heated and cooled space, 2 bed, 2 bath. We've got 400 square feet of space outdoors, including a front porch, a screened-in back porch, and then we've got a 300 square foot carport off to the front here, providing us a lot of functionality in this 2,000 square foot home. All right guys, coming into our living room here, we've got a really nice cozy area. This is about 15 by 23 feet of space in our living room and kitchen combined. And now over here you'll see we have our Sherwin-Williams Passive Gray colored walls, and you'll see this throughout the entirety of the home. We've also got our Sherwin-Williams Pure White colored trim and doors, and you'll see that in lots of areas throughout the house as well. And then we've also got our 4000 series vinyl plank flooring in the color Ascension. It's a really gorgeous warm tone that contrasts greatly with the rest of the cool tones in this home. Now coming over to our fireplace here, you'll see our Pure White Sherwin-Williams color once again. And then we've got these gorgeous walnut stain on these floating shelves and our mantle here. And then you'll also see that same walnut stain on our faux beam in our vaulted ceiling as well. All right guys, and coming from our living room, we flow right into our kitchen here, and we see once again we have our Pure White Sherwin-Williams paint on our upper cabinetry here, keeping everything consistent. And then you'll also see on our lower cabinets down here, we've got this really new fun pop of color with our Regatta Blue. Once again, Sherwin-Williams as well. We've got black handles and hardware on everything in here. And then we're keeping it consistent with our gray tones with this beautiful gray subway tile backsplash and grout on that as well. We have our oven range here and our microwave above, and our entire kitchen is complete with Frigidaire appliances. And then we have our gorgeous, gorgeous ornamental granite countertops here, contrasting really nicely with the grays and blues in this home. All right guys, so coming out of our kitchen and living room area, we're entering into the primary bedroom over here, and you'll see we're following through with our passive gray Sherwin-Williams walls and our pure white trim and doors. So in this house, we do have a lot of standard finishes. This is one of our signature series homes. So you won't see quite as many customizations, but you'll see a lot of nice, beautiful standard finishes. So we've got our 2 3050 windows. That is typically a standard size, and that's what most of the windows in this home are gonna be. And then coming over to our master closet here, you'll see we've got a lot of nice storage space, some nice custom built-ins in the back there, and then upper and lower hanging space in there as well, giving our homeowners plenty of room for storage in there. Now we move over to our primary bathroom to show you some of our finishes in here. All right, and then our primary bathroom here comes complete with some nice standard finishes as well. You'll see we have our cultured marble here. This is a beautiful silver and white cultured marble. It really goes well with the gray in this home. And then we also have our black hardware, keeping it consistent with everything else in the house as well. We also have the same cultured marble on our shower here. We've got a tub and shower combo and our black hardware as well. And then you'll see we have some more nice storage for linens above the toilet over there. And again, just that black hardware, same color walls, same color flooring, really beautiful finishes here. All right, and coming out of our primary side of the house over here, we are just gonna cross over our living room and go right over to the guest side of the house. All right guys, now entering to our guest side of the house, this is our second bedroom of the home, and it's basically just a mini version of our primary layout on the other side. So this is a 13 by 11 foot room. We've once again got our passive gray walls and then our 3050 double windows on the side over here. And then coming over to our closet here, it's really just a mini version of the primary side. Once again, we've got those custom shelving right there, and then our upper and layer hanging shelves as well. And then coming over into our guest bathroom, it's once again a smaller version of our primary. So we've got our cultured marble finish on our countertops here. This is once again silver and white. We've also got the same thing in our shower over here to the left. And then the cool thing about this layout is that this bathroom goes directly into our laundry room. So we'll turn around and go through this door here and take you to the laundry room to show you the flow of the house. All right, so we come right out of our guest bathroom here into our little laundry area. We've got some beautiful walnut stained floating shelves, once again, with our ornamental white granite countertop here. This right here is actually gonna be our pantry, so we've got some nice storage space in there for all of our food and cans. And then our laundry room is just right over here. This is a 5 by 7 foot laundry room. This is just a standard basic size that you need. It gives you plenty of room when you're opening the dryer and getting stuff out of there as well. Then we've also got some nice storage cabinets up above, once again in that pure white Sherwin-Williams color. You can still see we've got our pure gray walls and everything just staying really consistent in this home. Now, as we come out of the laundry room, we flow nicely to my favorite part of the home, which is our screened-in back porch. All right, coming to the back porch here, we've got a really nice screened-in porch here. This is a Screen Ease brand screen on our porch, and we've got a lot of nice, fun, and functional space here. Our homeowners even included an outlet up here so that they could have a TV whenever there's a game or anything fun going on. Then over to the side, we've got a storage room, a little mini storage room. It's about 100 square feet of space, and we do have a roll-up door that goes to the outside there so that they can store things like their lawnmower, rakes, anything like that for the season. All right, and last but not least, we have our beautiful carport. It's a lean-to style, and it's just about 300 square foot of space. And then that is gonna wrap up our final tour of Jenkins Place in our Masters Way Barndominium subdivision. We hope you liked the video. Make sure you comment your favorite part, like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more information so you can stay up to date when we post again on the Barndo channel.